Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create day to night video editing in Capcut. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my Capcut application, and first of all, I'm going to open up the project I have just created, and I'm going to create day to night video editing using this video. And here I'm going to split my video, guys. I'm going to split it right here. I'm gonna tap on my video and then select split. Okay, and I'm going to make the first clip become a day video and the second clip for the night video. So if we want to make it like a night video, we can do adjustment. You can select the second clip like this, and then you can go to the adjust menu. This one, go to the adjust, and you can adjust the brightness. I'm going to decrease the brightness around 30. Okay, no, I mean around 40. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the HSL to adjust the color. I'm gonna select blue because the base color of my video is blue, and I'm going to reduce the lightness. Okay, and for this light blue as well, I'm going to reduce the lightness, and then I'm going to go to the color curve. Wait guys, I'm still trying to find the color curve. This one, go to the grabs, and then you can go to the white color, and we can like reduce it a little bit. I'm going to select blue as well. Okay, and I think it looks good, guys, and I'm going to go back, click on the check mark, and I'm going to put transition. I'm gonna click on the transition icon, and then I'm gonna select overlay. Okay, and for the transition, I'm going to select mix transition. Okay, and let's take a look at the final result. All right. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create day to night video editing using Capcut Mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video, guys.